Hi, I'm Adrian. I'm the MD and Head of ESG Solutions at UOB. My teams and I develop the sustainable financing frameworks and deposit solutions for our corporate, institutional, and SME clients to help them on their decarbonization journey. Green financing can be broadly divided into 4 different types. First, green financing is loans provided to eligible certified green projects and business activities. Second, sustainability-linked loans. This is financing provided to incentivize the improvement in sustainability performance targets over a period of time. Third is sustainable trade finance. This is short-term trade and working capital financing to support the import and export of sustainable goods. 4. Transition finance. This is financing provided to hard-to-abate sectors, for example, like the oil and gas and the metals and mining sectors. Green financing can help businesses from 3 aspects. Number 1, brand enhancement. By embarking on green and sustainable projects, businesses demonstrate a commitment to sustainability of the environment, social and governance perspectives. This will attract the attention of government agencies, investors and global buyers. Second, access to new markets. By adopting sustainability and initiatives as well as solutions, it will open up both local and international markets who are focused on buyers which have a key sustainability commitment and agenda. This will actually move sustainability to a big business opportunity as a macro trend that intends to change our world and our region. Third, tap into incentives and grants. By tapping into green and sustainable projects, businesses can avail themselves to the many available incentives and grants given by the Singapore government through agencies like Enterprise Singapore to help them embark and even accelerate their sustainability journey. The future of green financing is bright green. This is perhaps the most important economic transformation of our lifetime, transforming our economic infrastructure from one that is reliant on fossil fuels to one that is going to be more reliant on green and sustainable renewable energy. And we need everyone with us on this journey, from government agencies to policymakers, researchers and technologists, businesses big and small, investors and financiers. Because only when there is a strong public and private partnership are we able to jointly decarbonize our economy as well as the way we live together for the next generation.